Hi, I'm Shellece Strong from Gilbert, Arizona, and I will show you what I've been working on. At the end of 2023, I purchased the McCaig Mastery Bundle, and because we had some things, we're both self-employed, my husband and I, and we just had a definite need for this. So let me show you the first thing I did. Okay, first thing I did was obviously get my EIN number from the IRS in my name, Shellece Strong Trust. Easy, took just like 5 minutes. And then I set up my private trust in my name, Shellece Strong Trust, with the help of the template that is provided. Then I went to our credit union, Desert Financial Credit Union in Arizona, and set up Shellece Strong Trust account. The girl that helped me, Miriam, literally did it in 4 minutes. I could not believe it. I was so scared and thinking, oh no, overthinking the whole thing. Super easy, super fast. Okay, so the second thing I did was we had an investment property, and it was in an LLC. Called Val Vista Lakes Properties LLC. So we needed to sell it, so I was able to put it in my trust name, Shellece Strong Trust, and go down to Maricopa County and record the new name of the trust, which is Shellece Strong Trust. Also super worried, super scared. Oh my gosh, they're not gonna let me do it, you know, the police are going to get involved, whatever. I was just like thinking it was going to be more complicated. Super easy. One guy was there. It was super quiet. It was almost eerie how quiet it was. Nobody else was there. He just did it within like 3 minutes. Super, super easy. Then we sold the property that now is owned by the trust. The seller, Shellece Strong Trust, was on Silver Creek Road in Gilbert. And here is the settlement statement. So no big deal. Then, next thing we did was opened up, got another EIN number under the name of Grateful Christians Trust. Again, super easy. Set up another trust under the same name, Grateful Christian Trust, another private trust. And opened up another bank account. Again, at Desert Financial. My husband came this time. We're both trustees on it. And I don't know why, different girl, very sweet, younger girl, took like 40 minutes. And I was kind of sweating bullets, like, is this, now they're going to stop me or something? But no, they didn't. Everything's good. We got an account at Desert Financial. Super easy. So then we took the proceeds from the house that the trust sold, and bought another house in Pinal County, which is about an hour away, Casa Grande, and we're able to put it in the name of Grateful Christian Trust. And my husband and I are the trustees. Super easy, tax statement, proof, there we go. And then I'm like, you know what, I'm on a roll. Let's call my insurance agent, see what he says. Is he gonna put it in the name of the trust? What? Yep, put it in the name of trust. Okay, no problem, Shellece, we'll put it in the name of trust. Grateful Christians Trust in the fire, you know, the homeowner's policy. Super easy. Then I'm like, okay, gotta get a new car. So I went down to a used car lot that I found a car I really liked. And again, can I get this in the name of our trust and have our trust own this vehicle? Shouldn't be a problem. Did all the paperwork, and he still was taking my name and everything, and the dealer, and I was kind of worried. Get in the mail the new Arizona vehicle registration in the name of Grateful Christian Trust. So super excited, super happy with the whole thing. We've got way more work to do with our businesses and everything, but the support's been great. I've emailed them probably 10 times at least, and they get back to me within like 24 hours, sometimes less. Martin Gorman was the one that referred me to this, and he's been super helpful. And I love Jack and everybody, and I'm super happy. And there you go.